Why the heck this is open? This is so like nerve-wracking. So, dumating na yung parcel. Nakakaloka. Ewan ko ba anong nangyayari sa mga rider na to. Like, yupi-yupi. Kasi naman naakumpol. Usually, yung mga dinideliver nila. And why the heck this is open? This is so like nerve-wracking, but still, let's try to like open it up. Inaaban ako. Biglang walang laman. Nako, pero ko na lang talaga. Dahil hindi ko nakuha yung 8.8 sale. Naka 8,800. Wala na yung magagawa. Yung discounted price na lang yung kinuha natin. So, there. Let's open it up. Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam kung scam ba yun o talagang paunahan lang talaga. Swerte man na nakakuha, you know. Like, right when it's exactly like 8 p.m. or 12 a.m. pinindot ko naman and then lumabas yung discounted price na 8.8 pero pag check out na wala yung original price na lumabas, so walang kwenta. So anyhow, seems like this is legit. Look, ano ba? Oh, legit. So this is sealed. Oh my gosh, like brand new, girl. Oh, hey. Naku, siguradong bababa lalo yung presyo nito because next month, September, lalabas na naman mga bago. iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and then well, I'm supposed to like get the flash, ano man tawag dun? White, Starlight White, pero ayun, black yung lumabas, nakaka-star. So this is the phone. Let's set this aside. So it has this thingy, the instruction and whatnot, and yes, I have my new cable, lightning cable again, na mabilis masira. 1,100 plus din yan kapag bumili ng bago. And so, let's set it aside and punta na tayo sa cellphone. Oh my gosh, like midnight black itachi So, let's ang ganda ng feel. Oh, wala pa akong casing nito, so I gotta be careful, you know. So, let's open it up na. iPhone 13, finally. My favorite number. Hello, iPhone. Akala mo naman, walang cellphone. Meron na nga akong iPhone 16 Pro. Wala lang. Gusto ko na ng multiple phone pangbigay kay So, i-pair natin siya para ma-set up. So, in-scan ko dito and whatnot para like, you know, whatever setting on this iPhone 11, magiging setting na iPhone 13.